Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and then go over to Instagram because I have quite a few looks over there that don't make it over here to YouTube. Alright, so today we are going to do some polygel nails in dual forms using the SXC Polygel Glow in the Dark kit, and of course my favorite version, number 4. I wish they would sell that individually, because I need some more and I don't have to buy that whole kit for it. Pardon me, excuse me. Allergies love me about 6 months out of the year, so I only have about, 3 more to go until this all should be clear and good. So, yay for that, right? Ugh. Anyhoot. So, I mark my dual forms in this set, and I don't mark them to where I want the top of the nail to be. I just kind of mark it in the general area. It can be slightly over or slightly under, and the reason that I do that is because my nail beds are short and all uneven due to biting. So in order to make the nails kind of all the same length when you're measuring them, that's how I had to measure it out to make sure that they're all kind of uniformed. Now, I have on peel off base coat on my natural nails, so if you are planning on keeping nails on longer, make sure you do your prep, which is the dehydrator, the primer or protein bond, and then of course the base coat, just to make sure that your nails do last longer. And try to avoid cuticle oil. I know it's kind of like the in thing, but try to avoid it because it can actually get under the nails and then cause lifting, and then people wonder why it's lifting so easily. Just because they see YouTubers or in the pictures the skin and everything's glossy and they use the cuticle oil, not thinking that in the long run that's going to cause lifting, but it actually really does. So you can re-moisturize your cuticles with lotions or anything like that. Just try to avoid getting it around the nail, because those can get in there and cause lifting, of course. Also, along that note, in one of my nail groups that I have, somebody was asking about the polygel popping off really easy, and everyone had given a bunch of suggestions, and I suggested the cuticle oil because she was stating she had tried a bunch of the other things that some of the other ladies had advised her to do. She said she was already doing that, so she said she hadn't heard about the cuticle oil one and she was going to try it. Well, she did come back and say that they had not popped off when she did not use the cuticle oil, so she was grateful for that little bit of advice. So I guess it just depends on the person. If it gets under your nails or not, it's just on you. But if you're having problems with the polygel popping off or the nails lifting, consider that if you've tried the other things, the extra dehydrator and extra primer, then go to the cuticle oil. Okay, so enough about that. Make sure you shape under your nails. In this video for the dual forms, I'm spending a lot of time shaping this nail. I've just noticed that, like, dang, hurry up, this is taking forever. Anyway, lost my train of thought. I have children yelling in the background, so they're making me lose my train of thought. Anyway, so form your nails underneath. I'm telling you, squirrel, ADD. Form your nails. I showed 2 different methods of doing this on this video, which is the first applying the bottom, the first step, this one right here, where you apply the nude color to the nail, then curing it and adding the color layer, and then curing that. Some of the problem is with the dual forms, they can pop off when you're doing it. I mean, it's not really a problem, it's just kind of a thing, but they can pop off while you're doing it. It's not a big deal. Just stick some more polygel on there and stick it back on. It goes right on. Other than that, I also show how to do the other method where you can put them both uncured. You put the nude color and then the color on top of it. It doesn't give a crisp line when you do that, so if you're looking for more of a crisp line, cure the nude color first and then go to the color, and you'll get more of a crisp look on that smile line. Yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all watch the process and be back towards the end. Okay, so I used the IBD Clear Builder Gel in a bottle for the first time. Went on pretty good. It's really thick in the bottle, so I don't know like how much is left in the bottle. It's kind of hard to tell, but otherwise I do like it. It went on pretty good. I mean, clearly it's clear, and then it files really easily, like really easily. It's nice and smooth and soft, so it's easy for shaping. Pretty much that is the look. They do glow. I forgot to get the glow on video, but I did take a picture, although pictures of glowing nails never kind of work out as well as you hope they do, but you know how that goes. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. I got some more stuff coming up. We got more videos, and again, go over to Instagram and check out all the Valentine's looks over there. Some people have been loving those, so go check those out, and then I will be back on YouTube next week. Thanks, guys. I really do appreciate you.